Hello students, and welcome to the overview of your Gizmo for this week. Now this week, this Gizmo especially can be rather tricky for students. It is your distance and time and velocity and time graphs. Now when we look at this Gizmo, it doesn't seem like there's a lot we can do. However, there are hidden things that we can actually move on this Gizmo. So number of points, when we look at this, it's telling us the number of dots. So on this graph we have a dot here and a dot here, so we have 2 points. If I add more points, say 3 or 4 points, I will have 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now with these dots, I can move them to where I would like them to be. So if I want to have a 20-meter distance here, and let's say I'm okay with 40, and then let's say I want to move this dot down to 10. I can set this graph up, and then I can actually watch the runner perform this distance time graph by hitting this green start button on the stopwatch. And it'll show you as the runner's running and as it's going through the graph how this runner's moving. And then you'll notice that these markings here are going to show you not only where this distance is located on the graph, but at the end it'll give you the displacement. So even though the runner started here at 0, right there, he actually ran all the way to 40, and then he ran back to 10, which means his total displacement was 10 meters. So that's a nice helpful piece as well. You can add 2 runners, and you can ultimately change the graph just like you did with the red one for each runner to see comparably how their motion will be based on however the Gizmo document is asking you to set up the graph. You can also look at a velocity time graph that'll show you velocity over time. Now both of these are going to be important for you because distance time graphs ultimately will tell us velocity, and velocity time graphs will ultimately tell us acceleration. So both of these are equally as important. And then again, remember, if we want to reset anything, we can hit this red button on the stopwatch and it'll move everybody back to their original starting points. If you have any questions while you're performing this Gizmo, please be sure to email me or text me and I can help you with that. Otherwise, I hope you have fun with it.